Welcome to Modern Hackers. Please subscribe and do not forget to like the video if you have enjoyed. Welcome back, folks, to the channel. It will be an unboxing review of this beautiful Ferrari SF90XX Stradale from Alpha model. On this channel, in the previous videos, you did see the Ferrari SF90 Stradale build, so you can have an idea. And we will see now the differences between the kits. This is a freshly released model by Alpha model. Before we opening, on the left side of the box, you get the wireframe render. On the right side, you get a colored render. The box art on the design paper is a white one, but there is also a red edition of the same. Let's see what is inside. We get this orange next generation packaging box, which interesting look and feel. Starting with a next generation user manual. Next generation means that this shiny material. You get the safety package cover, small parts, wheels, screws, additional set of wheels, transparent elements, medium parts, interiors, engine part, dash hood, some extra package, probably spoiler elements, the body, some extra packaging, the Alpha model style transparent elements, windows, and photo-etched details. We get a lot decals, carbon also, so much, and also the red render. But the box are going with the white one, so I will go with the white one. It's your favorite, what you want to use. In the user manual, on the left first side, you see what is inside, two set of wheels, the body, the extension, all parts numbered. Also the photo-etched detail, including the wheels, the disc brakes, wipers in it, and a lot of masks, a lot of decals, carbon decals, we expect, windows, some 3D printed elements. Maybe this is in the safety extra packaging, screws, connectors. Looks to me it will be a 5-pager user manual. So on the second page, we get the interiors, the engine. So you have a separate engine that you can color. So interesting, the details, seats, with multiple sections, pipes, a lot of decorations, also logos for the seat belts. On the third page, you get outer side, the windows, how to assemble, the wheel hubs, the Alpha model wheel hubs, the wheels. On the fourth page, you see overall how it assembled, some parts for the carbon details. There's a lot of numbering for the carbon parts, where to put. And as far as I can see, that you also have a design option with this yellow line on it, with dual line, single line, on it some racing designs. So this is the 5th page. So I think it's a detailed kit. User manual point of view. Let's see the elements one by one. Let's see the elements one by one. We got the kit in a safety packaging, half model, making sure the kits are delivered without damage. You get the bottom piece with some details. Interior and the body. The edges are thin and sharp, which is a good sign of a quality mold of resin molding. The previous SF90 Stradale had some holes in it on the back side. It has different rail. Looks to me the body is perfect. Do not see any dents. Maybe you just need to sand a little bit with some 800-1000 grit paper sanding required, or not grit paper, rather sanding sponge. I use Tamiya sanding sponge, and after prime it before I'm painting it. Looks to me the edge lines going smooth without any issues. The panel lines also deep compared with the previous models. I see a more deeper panel line most of the areas. Don't see any harm or edges. Well designed main body element, and don't see any edges that falling off. So from a build point of view, it's good also for the average builders and also for the professionals. I don't see any issues. On the previous model, the lamp was difficult to attach. That maybe you need to a little bit make space to it. That's all. Not see any imperfection on the body. Good to see. So it's a quality mold. It's a resin kit. So this means it has a weight. It's robust and it's keeping the shape. You can see. You won't have issues like the plastic ones. It has a weight while you're building. The interior cabin area. We get the wheels in Alpha model style together with the rubber tires, and we have an extra set of wheels, so you can decide how you want to go with them. Looks to me the front and rear have different size, if you can see. Alpha model style wheel. The screws are molded into it. That's the only challenge that you need to care. I think these wheels looks also nice in different colors or silver. Also you can see the shape of the wheel, like a realistic one. Some mid-size elements, the driving dash, the rear engine cover, and the engine base plate. You can see so much details in it. Don't see any issue on it. These will be the special packaged elements. Oh, nice. 3D printed spoilers, wings in it, and the rear spoiler diffuser. So nice. More parts. Some pipes for exhaust system or air. Inner side of the doors. Some engine parts. Central panel. This is the front bottom mask. Seats. And the door panel. Some smaller parts. More small parts. Some covers for the seats. Some leather elements. The steering wheel. Some spoilers, interiors, elements in it. And this will be the transparent part. These are the front lamps. This is some rear lamp. Some engine parts, some 3D printed parts. Let me open the Photo-etched details and the windows. The transparent film windows are covered with two-sided shield layer, so you need to remove both sides, cut out a little bit and place glue with special glue, not to harm the body or the transparent film. I'm using transparent epoxy resin glue T8000, which is in the video description. Some photo-etched details of the disc brakes, wheels, wipers, masks, inner masks in the inner side of the car. Some panel elements. These are the regular seat belt attachments and dash hood elements. Also the driving dash elements, brakes. Photo-etched details for the brakes. It's nice. It is attached and painted. More masks. Stand, Ferrari SF90 logo. More panels, interiors. The wheel elements. Again, a whole photo-etched piece for grills. So many details. And here we got the decals. We got multiple decal sheets. Starting with the smallest one. These are carbon elements. Continue with another carbon sheet. Spoilers, left, right, wings, everywhere. Carbon, carbon, carbon. Nice. The Alpha model carbon quality is good. I never seen any real issues with them. Also, I think you can build the wheels with carbon. Nice. Also we have some decoration for the wheel edges, some yellow design for carbon for the driving seats, cockpit. So detailed element, decals, very unique set in number of decals, and you have multiple color coding and color options for the body. Nice again. Overall folks, this is a good looking, interesting kit. Don't forget, for this amount of money you get engine details, so some connectors, also some pipes in it. You get 2 sets of wheels, rubber tires, you get the regular Alpha model, wheel hubs, transparent parts, comparison with the SF90 base model. You get extra spoilers in it, front rear, extra wings, 2 sets of wheels, the photo-etched details in it, some small extra printed 3D printed elements. So many pieces derived from the SF90, like the driving seat, just an example, but the base car body already altered, so it's not exactly the same. You get more decals, more carbon elements, multiple design options, color options. To me, it's a collector edition kit. Definitely recommending to have this either in your stash or build it. Recommending this kit. I haven't seen any issue in the unboxing, so to me it's a quality kit, again an Alpha model quality. Recommending the kit for you folks. Either you collect it or either you build it. It's an enhanced version of SF90 Stradale, more racing elements. Definitely I'm going to build this kit in the future. Please follow the channel, subscribe if you like this episode. Thank you folks, goodbye. Thank you for watching Modern Hackers. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have enjoyed.